didn't eat breakfast. We are at Are you enjoying?
The day started with full of excitement. We all were dreaming and wondering about the beauty we were about to explore. We had our breakfast and we gathered in school premises at 7:30. Then the journey begins. We were all together 41, 36 students, 3 teachers and 2 school staff. We started our journey on foot. On the way, we learned about different plants, greenery, we explored the beauty of nature. We walked among long grasses of broomsticks, which is used in our daily life for brooming our houses. Thank you, Yam Adhikari sir, the owner of Adhikari Agro Farm, for this information. After dealing with few hours of tiredness, we finally reached Salakpur, the land of oranges.
Hello. 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 Everybody's okay?
Yes, sir.
We are very excited now. Yeah, you are about to reach where?
Yes, sir. We are in Salakpur now.
Yeah.
We actually reached the destination. Now we'll eat some lunch and we'll start our trekking again.
No, we don't have lunch here.
Yeah.
We only have oranges here. Wow, beautiful, man. Okay, here we found the landowner of Salakpur where he just grow
oranges. He is Mr. Ramesh Thapa.
After dealing with few hours of tiredness, we finally reached Salakpur, the land of oranges. There we met a harvester, Mr. Ramesh Thapa. He explained us about his way of growing and harvesting oranges. He invited us in his house and offered us oranges.
Highway. False one. What to say false?
Hello guys, we are here.
Hello everyone, we are from Salakpur and we are here
At
in Salakpur to get orange, the land of orange, to get some knowledge
about orange.
There we ate fresh oranges, clicked some pictures, and we moved towards our next destination. He told us about how his ancestor used to grow oranges and how he is following the same traditional method.
Yeah, we have got a very good customer from Dhulabari, Himalayan school.
1 kg.
They are buying
1 kg.
oranges.
Wait, I'll give
Bhai, ke bolo?
you. Wait.
How much kg?
1 kg.
2 kg, sir. 2 kg.
Everybody, hello! Santosh sir, hello!
Our next destination was Homestay Jaskelo, which was situated in Next Hill.
नमस्ते सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ
हजुर
धेरै पछाडि भेट भयो हाम्रो यहाँ प्रेम सर हुनुहुन्छ म यहाँबाट
After walking for more than half an hour, we finally reached to our destination, homestay Jaskilo, surrounded by beautiful environment.
How is the food? Tasty? How is the food? Tasty?
Yes, sir.
Samriddhi, Santosh sir.
पाक्ने बेला पनि त्यही चाहिँ पहिला पाक्छ है र यो प्लकिङ गर्दाखेरि यो कफी चाहिँ कस्तो चिज हो भने
In his backyard, he had planted coffee and broom grass. He provided us lots of knowledge about the procedure how coffee is prepared.
त्यहाँ निस्क्यो नि हैन बोक्रा त आउटसाइडमा निस्किन्छ यो चाहिँ हामीले अहिले नेपालमा चाहिँ हैन अब कफीको चाहिँ युजरहरू बढिरहेको छ जब अनि यसलाई घाममा मजाले सुकाएर चाहिँ यसलाई चाहिँ के गर्न सकिन्छ भने बढार्न योग्य बनाएर हामी यो एउटा अहिले 120 रुपैयाँ किलोसम्म भनेको 12,000 रुपैयाँ 100 किलोलाई 12,000सम्म बिक्छ गत साल बिकेको थियो है र यसको चाहिँ प्रयोग के हो भन्दाखेरि एक यो कुचो निकालिसकेपछि यसलाई के गर्यो भन्दाखेरि यो बढार्नको लागि काम दियो यो घाँस गाईले खान पायो है गाई बाख्रालाई खान्छ त्यसपछि घाँस खाएर पनि यसको चाहिँ रकम जुन सिटा
At front of his homestay, he has also planted an avocado tree. He provided us fortune of knowledge about the benefits of consuming avocado.
आएर र तपाईको यो होमस्टे चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो लाग्यो यहाँको खानेकुराहरू यहाँको सुन्दर वातावरण एकदमै राम्रो लाग्यो धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद हजुरलाई
थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच
Clap for it. We are at? Are you enjoying? Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, finished. Now everyone can go home. Bye bye. How was the trek?
सर भेरी नाइस
Very nice. Did you get something information?
Slowly, it was getting dark, so after clicking some pictures, we started to move ahead towards the ending point of our trekking. Hello everyone, it's me Preksha Khanal, currently studying in grade 8. The hiking was very wonderful. We have gained a lot of knowledge about our environment and surroundings. We had made a lot of memories, and the practical knowledge that we have gained will be always helpful in our upcoming future. We would like to thank Mr. Ramesh Thapa and Yam Adhikari for providing us a lot of knowledge about agro-farming and the local culture of Salakpur. At last but not the least, we would like to thank our Himalayan English High School for providing us this wonderful opportunity and taking extreme care of us. Hope you enjoyed our video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our school channel. We will be posting more videos of our school activities in our upcoming days. Finally, bye and do take care of yourself from Preksha Khanal.
Attack 1-1.
1-1, 1-1, 1-1.